5 minutes. That's all it takes to wake your body up. Boxing isn't about fighting someone else. It's about fighting inactivity. When you throw your first punch, your heart rate jumps instantly. Your shoulders engage. Your core tightens. Your legs stay alive. In boxing, nothing is isolated. Every punch starts from the ground. Power travels through the legs, the core, the shoulders, and finally the fists. 5 minutes of boxing trains speed and coordination at the same time. Your brain and body have to communicate fast. This sharpens reflexes and focus. Boxing burns energy quickly, not slow, not gentle, explosive. Even short sessions force your body to work hard. That's why 5 minutes feels longer than it sounds. Boxing also releases stress. Every punch is pressure leaving the body. Anger, tension, mental noise. This is not cardio that numbs you. This is cardio that wakes you up. Daily boxing improves posture without you thinking about it. Hands up, chin down, core tight. Good posture becomes automatic. Your arms get lean, your shoulders harden, your core tightens, your legs stay active. You don't need gloves. You don't need a bag. Shadow boxing works. 5 minutes every day builds rhythm. Once the rhythm exists, consistency becomes easy. Some days punches are sharp. Some days they're slow. It doesn't matter. 0 days matter more than perfect days. Boxing trains breathing under pressure. If you panic, you gas out. If you control your breath, you control your body. That skill transfers to life. 5 minutes of boxing every day is not about becoming a fighter. It's about becoming alert, aggressive against laziness, and comfortable with effort. No warm-up drama, no excuses. Just move, throw the punches, breathe, reset. 5 minutes every day.